Hello everyone, welcome to FHALenders.com. Thanks for joining me once again today. We are going to talk about getting an FHA loan with a cosigner. And one of the things I want to do is explain first that if you think you need a cosigner because you have bad credit, that's not what you would use a cosigner for. A cosigner does not help with bad credit, because if you're on the mortgage and you've got bad credit and your cosigner is on the mortgage and your cosigner's got good credit, the lender is still going to use your scores because they are lower. So what are you going to use a cosigner for? A cosigner will help to bring additional income to the application to help you to qualify for the mortgage you're looking for. Okay? So the cosigner can be typically a relative, someone very close to you. It can be a friend, but you have to demonstrate that that friend is a very close friend and has been a friend for a long time, and not just someone you just met the other day, for example. Now, the cosigner situation is this. The cosigner is going to be on the mortgage application with you, so not only their income will be used on the loan application, but so will their debt. So you have to be choosy as to who the cosigner is going to be. You could bring a cosigner who makes some money, but if they have a mountain of debt, it could actually make your debt to income ratio on the loan application worse versus better. It could take you in the wrong direction. So you need someone who is going to have income but very little debt. And also credit scores better than yours if possible. So next, what you need to understand is this, is that especially if you're watching this and you're the person who's potentially co-signing for somebody else, it is a risk. It is a risk that you're taking co-signing for someone, and you asking somebody to co-sign for you. You have a responsibility, because one missed mortgage payment or one late mortgage payment, and now the co-signer's credit is going to be negatively impacted. So if you're the co-signer, you need to think about that. You need to really trust that the person you're co-signing for is going to make the payments on time. And then you, as the person asking that other person to co-sign for you, need to be responsible enough to make the payments on time, because that person's credit history is resting in your hands, okay? The other thing you need to think about is this. If you're asking for a co-signer and maybe they don't have a mortgage right now, maybe they weren't interested in buying a home. 1 year from now, they want to buy a house and they want to get off of your mortgage because they can't qualify for their mortgage because now they have your mortgage payment on their credit report. That's a common occurrence. So you need to have a backup plan on how you're going to get this co-signer off of the mortgage down the road. Are you going to be making more money? Is there something else that's going to change that could help you to qualify for the mortgage on your own in the future when that co-signer does come to you to say, I need to get off the mortgage, because that day will come. But if you'd like to get pre-approved with a cosigner, you want to ask more questions and get a pre-approval letter or get a quote, again, just visit us at FHALenders.com. I'm going to put that link in the description in the first pinned comment. You can follow it there. We'll be glad to speak to you and help you out. Thanks for watching today, everyone, and we will see you next time.